Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located just 5 minutes from the Santa Cruz town, you'll find this beautiful, unfurnished two-story house consisting of 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. The land area is approximately one-third of an acre or 14,483 square feet. With this land space, you have the opportunity to create an additional outdoor shade structure, such as an Amish country gazebo. From the antique marble flooring to the never seen before tray ceilings, simple but stylish features will make you feel at home before you know it. Other features of this house includes ceramic tiling, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, quiet area, seniors oriented, road paved, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.